Hi everybody, this is Maria Dolan, Marketing Director for Carteret Mobile Park. So here you have the house in the morning and here it is completed in the afternoon. So the guys finished doing all the skirting and put, look how nice that looks. So this house is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. This is the living room you're looking at. It's laminate flooring. And the manufacturer that we use is Redman Homes. It's a division of Champion Homes. And they highlighted this new painted gray cabinetry, which we included in this particular house. As you can see, there was a living room fan and 3 big windows. These are thermal pane windows. Here's a look of the living room into the kitchen and into the laundry room beyond. So this house is not completed. As you know, I like to do a lot of sneak peek videos as the house is under construction. But at this point, with the stairs completed, we can provide tours on our ongoing construction. So you've got LED lighting in the ceiling. And like I said, the ceiling fan in the living room. And here's the kitchen. And you've got these amazing new cabinets. They've got the European pools. You've got stainless steel appliances. You've got a refrigerator, a dishwasher, a stove oven, and the microwave. And here you see the double bowl sink and the view out the window. And the cabinets are all wood and they have adjustable shelves. So here's the shelf. It still has to be put in place. There's a lot of work we still have to do on the inside, so you'll see a lot of items that still haven't been completed. That's the Bronzite countertop, and all of the appliances have warranties. So there's a warranty on the house, a 30-day cosmetic warranty that starts the day you close and move into your house. Here's all the booklets, and then there's a year warranty through the manufacturer, and then there's a year 2 through 7 that we have purchased for each of the homes, which is only a $55 deductible and includes much. So we'll give you those booklets when you give the tour. You can see what it is. I also email the warranties to everybody, but again, the appliances have their own warranties. And all the warranty cards are in the drawer and you can fill those out when you move in. So much counter space. We're really pleased how this house turned out. This is the cottage laminate flooring and the pearl glass tile backsplash. And you've got your laundry room, utility room here with more cabinetry for all your supplies, and then each owner provides their own washer and dryer. Sometimes the washer and dryers are included when the house is being sold, a pre-owned home, but the manufacturer does not provide them. You've got hookup for washer and dryer, so it's all ready for you there. This is a look inside the cabinetry. And then you've got your utility door out the back with fiberglass steps. Beautiful door. It's a 2-panel door. It looks really nice. Isn't that pretty? You can put a big kitchen table in the middle. The floor came out so nice. This is a new laminate flooring, and we coordinated it with the vinyl in the bathroom. This is the hall bath, and it's a 1-piece fiberglass tub. And above the tub, we added a transom window to give you a little light. And you've got a framed mirror, the commode, and the sink. Across the hall, you've got the largest of the 2 bedrooms. Nice, sunny, beautiful room. LED above. You've got your screens for the Anderson storm doors that we installed. This is a water-resistant paper on the walls. Nice neutral color. And the living room and the 2 bedrooms have cable so you can hook up your television. When the doors arrive, they're covered in plastic, and we like to take those off when you purchase the house. Here's the master bathroom. This is a walk-in shower stall. We still have to put in the glass doors. Again, the transom window, 2 seats in the one-piece shower stall. We've got a vertical window above the commode. And this beautiful vanity. And a cosmetic box and a light box above the sink. I like to show in the closet. This is a wire rack there, and inside the closet is all the information about your house, and that is what's called a data plate with all the listings of all the appliances and all the numbers that designate which appliance is there. And this is the water shutoff for the whole house. And now we'll go into the back, and this is the furnace. This runs your central air conditioning and your forced hot air. And this second bedroom has a lot of supplies. As you can see, we're still working on the house. There's a bucket of spackle and paint and more drywall that we have to put up, and the trim kit for the marriage wall. The marriage wall is the 2 parts of the house that come together. You can see the beam in between the living room and the kitchen, so we still have to form that out and make that all beautiful. So this is the first of a couple of videos for this particular house. As you will see the progress as we go along. But in the meantime, I wanted you to take a look at it, so contact us at our website, start there, answer the 15 pre-qualifying questions, and then we work together to get you into this house as soon as possible. Now we're going to run through a series of photographs of the house so that you can take a closer look. Here's the living room and the kitchen overlook. This is an energy efficient home, and what you don't see behind the walls is the thicker insulation and the quality that's behind the walls. We really stand by the Redman product. They've really good at providing service if there's any need for it, and they contact the homeowner directly. They stand by their product, and we really appreciate that. That kitchen cabinetry is so amazing. We're really thrilled with this light gray cabinetry. Here's a look into the living room. There'll be new houses being built across the street. Again, here's your laundry room and your hookup. There's your water for your washer. Here's your floor plan. So this house is built by Dolan Homes. Dolan Homes has been building manufactured homes in New Jersey for 35 years. That's Robert Dolan in the center. There he is again. And he has all the accreditations and licenses to build and sell manufactured homes in New Jersey. This is the website. We have 3 locations in Carteret, Edison, and Egg Harbor Township. We have a wonderful crew. Everybody pitches in and helps out. We've got our construction crew. And this is a family business. There's 4 generations. The first generation has passed away, and then Robert and myself, and then our nephew and our son. This is a list of advantages that I provide for purchasing a home from Dolan Homes. And we're proud to build in Carteret Mobile Park, in Carteret, New Jersey, in Middlesex County. This is a land lease community, and I provide the lease in an email so that everybody knows what's expected. There's a monthly lot fee. I have that listed on the website. This is the address of the office. We see everybody by appointment only. Our entrance is on Blair Road in Carteret, New Jersey. Just follow the signs, and when you get to the maintenance building, you'll see this, and you can turn in and follow the little signs that are posted on the lampposts. So this is the maintenance building, and it just shows you the arrows on how to get to the office. There's this picture of the office at the back door of the maintenance building, so everybody knows that this is not the office. So here's a little look at some of the homes in our community. Really quality, innovative, modern homes. We are at exit 12 on the New Jersey Turnpike, conveniently located where there's a bus stop in front down into the downtown of Carteret, and then there's another bus stop that takes you straight to New York City on the Turnpike, the New Jersey Turnpike. There's also the Rahway train station that takes you into the city. We're conveniently located between the Turnpike and Route 9 and 1. We really pride ourselves on providing the American dream of home ownership. Beautiful manufactured homes. So start at the website, myhomeincarteret.com, and start the intake process. We can't wait to hear from you.